Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you can see on the screen, today we are doing a little bit of different video. Usually in this channel you see tech unboxings, tech reviews and everything that's related to tech. But today I thought I'll make a little different video so that it will be helpful for everyone. So this is a Rudraksha Diksha that we received from the Isha Yoga, and I think it's really good and it helps a lot of people who are in the part of spirituality. So before going forward, I'll just put a clip of a video in where Sadhguru had said about this.
Bead which is consecrated in a certain way, which is will be on Adiyogi for some time. Probably we will be giving out a few million Rudraks, free of cost. So this will be available, please make use of this Rudraks. This will be a powerful instrument in your life to be accessible to grace of Adiyogi.
So as promised by Sadhguru, they have opened a website for this Rudra Diksha that is organized by Isha Yoga, and this is the web link. Don't worry, I'll link this website in my description box. So all you have to do here is scroll down. So as you scroll down, you can see this Rudraksha Diksha package. So these are the items that you get in the Rudraksha Diksha package. The first item that you get is a Rudraksha bead or a single Rudraksha. Remember, it's not a Rudraksha mala, it's a single Rudraksha. They have kept millions of Rudrakshas near the Adiyogi statue till March 11, and on the March 11, that is the Shivaratri night, Sadhguru will do a special puja for all these Rudrakshas, and then it will be dispatched to us. Along with it, they'll send you a Isha Vibhuti, a Abhaya Sutra which you can use to tie this Rudraksha, and the Adiyogi image. So the registration process is very simple. First you need to select for how many members you want to buy it. I would like to buy for my entire family, so I have selected the number as 3. After that, I'll enter my name here. So probably I'll use the autofill service. So I'll just verify that everything is fine here. I'll just mention the address. Probably in the video I'll blur out these details. Then you just click on confirm and get OTP. So once you punch in the OTP, you can see your registration will be successful. But if you want to donate to the Shivanga sadhana, then you can donate any amount you want, like 500, 1000 or even 10 rupees, anything is fine. If you don't want to donate any amount, then you can directly click on skip here. So as you can see, once you click on skip, you will get a message, thank you, your order has been confirmed, and it will be couriered to your below courier address. So if you have made this far to the video, I really appreciate your patience, and for that I will be giving you one more offer here. So from this website you can order free Bhagavad Gita. The procedure is same. I'll just punch in my details here. So as you can see, you can order only once. I'll give my different number here. So you have an option here to select the language. So you get various international languages as well as Indian regional languages. I'll select my regional language here. Then you can just click on order now option and click on OK. You will receive a OTP for this number. So as you can see, as of now there is some issues with this website in verifying the OTP. It's still stuck on this page, but don't worry, this website works absolutely fine on daytime. I have previously ordered books from this website. I have ordered for my friends' family as well, so no need to worry. Just give a try on the daytime. So as you can see, the Rudraksha Diksha package will be delivered after MahaShivaratri, that is 11th March 2021. So this is not a typical technical video where I do unboxings or other stuff, hence I will not request you to like this video, hit that subscribe button or anything like that. Just share this video with maximum people as much as possible so that they could also register for this and receive the blessings of Adiyogi. Thank you.